Hello, welcome to microbiology again. Today we're going to talk about your microscope. And let's briefly review the parts of the microscope. These are compound microscopes, so you have your ocular and your revolving nose piece with 4 objective lenses. What we want to focus on today is use of the oil immersion lens in viewing bacteria, because basically you need the oil immersion lens to view bacteria. Stage of the microscope that holds the slide. There's a stage clip. This moves your slide. Okay. Now remember, these objective lenses are parfocal, so when you get it in focus with one objective lens, it should be approximately in focus with the other objective lenses. In my laboratories, I like to talk about finding the bacteria with the 10x, and there are 2 approaches that we'll take, and then switching to the oil immersion lens, and you should just need a slight fine adjustment. The outer knob is the fine adjustment. When you're looking into this microscope with the high power 40x objective lens or the oil immersion lens, should only focus with the fine adjustment because you're working so close to the slide. With the 10x or low power, you don't have to worry because you can't crash into the slide. Coarse adjustment is the larger knob. Coarse, fine adjustment. Beneath the stage is a device that condenses the light. Here's your switch for light. There's also a rheostat on the side of the base. Don't use the rheostat to control light intensity. Max out the light with the rheostat, and then in this condenser there is an iris, like the iris of your eye, an iris diaphragm, and that's what you should use to control the light intensity. Open all the way, you can actually see the bright light. The general rule is, with lower magnifications, you'll need less light. Oil immersion lens, you'll need about 80% of the maximum light. Okay? So I have a slide on the scope. I'm going to reduce the light. I'm going to find the bacteria. Focus with the coarse and fine adjustment. Can't crash into the slide because the low power has a safety lock, so you can't hit the slide. Now, when you move the revolving nose piece to the side in order to put oil on, pay attention to the direction that you're rotating. I want to rotate in the direction of the oil immersion lens. So I move the low power aside. I like to use a big drop of oil on the slide. I'm going to swing in the oil immersion lens. I'm going to give the slide a little bit of a jiggle to make a good column of oil. I'm going to max out the light and go back about 10-20%. You can tell when you look in the microscope whether it's too bright. You'll learn how to adjust. Then it should just take a slight fine adjustment to find the bacteria.